It's finally here, the DJI Mavic 4 Pro. DJI just dropped their most advanced drone yet, and today I'm showing you the full unboxing and going over every game-changing features. In the box, we've got the Mavic 4 Pro drone, the upgrade DJI RC2 controller, extra propellers, and charger. Now, let's talk about specs. And wow, DJI went all out. 3-axis 360 infinity gimbal for ultra smooth and dynamic angles. 6K 60 HDR from 100 megapixel Hasselblad wide lens. 4K 60 HDR from both 48 megapixel medium tele lens and 50 megapixel tele lens. Up to 70 degrees upward shooting for crazy perspective shots. 0.1 lux night omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Yes, this sees in the dark. Front facing LiDAR sensor for the next level object detection. Active track 360 for subject and vehicle tracking. 04 plus transmission with a 18.6 miles of range. It's basically an aerial cinema rig and foldable body. So that's your first look at DJI Mavic 4 Pro. I'll be testing this beast soon. So hit the like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the full flight test and comparison. If you want to check the price and availability, you can visit our website www.aabworld.com.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI the link match, and the hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.